welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've got another unboxing. This is Melissa's fault, though I do thank her for it. Melissa posted up on the group another type of storage, and I sort of had it, went for it. So this cost £12.86, which I think is a pretty good price for storage, to be honest. And it arrived in 7 days, which I think is amazing. So let me show you what it is. It's very similar to other storage that I have, but it's also very pretty and it is different. And I do a lot of unboxings on camera, and kitting ups. So I figured I can vary up my storage. Do you think they're good enough reasons for purchasing it? I do. Okay, so this was ordered from AliExpress. I will put the link down below. As I say, this was £12.86 when I ordered it, and it took 7 days to arrive, which is pretty darn gone amazing, to be honest. It's come in just a standard keep the rain off bag, but then it is bubble wrapped before you get to the product itself, which is also bagged. So let's get rid of all the packaging. Ooh, this actually feels different. So you'll see this is a storage case, very similar to the likes of the 60 bottle storage cases that I use for my Heaven and Earth designs. Now this one has got like a woven fabric texture on it. It's got some bits on it as well, but this has got woven fabric. This one is not. This one is smooth. So this is a smooth effect. I'm trying to think if all my, so all my other ones that are smaller containers are all the fabric, whereas this one is not. And it's in the pretty blue, which I like. But this is 42 bottles. So I like having different sizes so that I don't have a case that's too big for a painting that I'm doing. I don't mind having a few spare bottles, but I don't like gazillions of them. So if I have a painting that's over 30 colours, I got some more stickers. So I'll put those with my others to use up. But it does come on this foam pad, very similar to all the others. It is the deeper bottles, so you can get some that are half the size of this. This is the full size. They're the nice ones. I do like these ones. I may have some more storage on its way as well. That was another person on Facebook's fault. But, you know, we've got to thank them for it. No, I do really appreciate it when I am tagged in things that are of interest, especially storage. I do like my storage. So yeah, it's got your little pocket for putting any bits and pieces in there. You know, maybe you want to put your toolkit in there, diamonds that don't fit in the bottles, because these will fit a good 1,000 to 2,000 in it. But sometimes you do end up with packets left over, and it's nice and it's new and it's blue with black. But yeah, I thought I would show you that, and I will be kitting up with it soon. In fact, I will be using it to kit up a painting that Melissa did gift me. So it'll be a purely Melissa painting. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Just a quick unboxing, and I will speak to you all again soon.